Aishwarya, we do know a high-level meeting was taking place or is taking place, and Amit Shah, the Home Minister, is shortly going to leave for Srinagar.
Well, that's right. The meeting is still underway as far as Home Minister Amit Shah is concerned. He had a telephonic conversation with the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Umar Abdullah, and the Lieutenant Governor was there with Home Minister Amit Shah through video conferencing. It is also a meeting that is taking place at his residence. We've been told the Home Secretary, IB Chief, is still at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, where I am reporting from. And Home Minister Amit Shah had briefed Prime Minister about the entire situation. It is at around 7 p.m. that Home Minister Amit Shah will be leaving for Srinagar. Let me show you these visuals from Home Minister Amit Shah's residence over here, as we've been told that very soon there are more top security officials who will be also visiting Home Minister Amit Shah's residence just before he leaves for Srinagar. But a tweet that has come out from Home Minister Amit Shah, he clearly stated that he is anguished by the terror attack on tourists in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, and his thoughts are with the family members of the deceased. Those involved in this drastic act of terror will not be spared, and the security forces will come down heavily on the perpetrators with the hardship consequences. He also mentioned about him briefing the Prime Minister, who is currently in Saudi Arabia, and he would be soon leaving. Tomorrow he would be there at the spot where this incident took place. But as Umar Abdullah mentioned, that this is a cowardly attack by the terrorist, and he would not like to go on the number of casualties that had taken place during this terror attack. But it is all the security agencies which is working in tandem to bring back the normalcy over there. But Home Minister Amit Shah, after briefing Prime Minister Narendra Modi, now would be leaving to Srinagar to chair a high-level meeting over there as well.